AWS Interview Questions and Answers 2025. Most frequently asked AWS interview questions. You can look up the AWS certification when looking for the best IT jobs.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Gartner has reportedly placed Amazon Web Services in the leaders quadrant. According to Forbes, there is a high demand for AWS certification. The AWS certification is leading to 15 top-paying jobs in IT. Here, we are helping you upgrade your career to meet the requirements of all those industries. This blog includes all AWS technical interview questions and answers, as well as AWS scenario-based interview questions. It is important to know these interview questions to land a good position in the domain. A good AWS training course, like the one offered by SprintSeal, will help you get comfortable with all the important AWS interview questions and answers. Basic AWS interview questions and answers. 1. What do you mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing is one of the major discussion topics. For this, you need to explore more of the cloud computing knowledge. Here we will give you some basic differences. AWS was situated in 2006, whereas Azure was initiated in 2010. The market share of AWS is 4x, whereas for Azure it is x. The AWS is implemented with fewer options, where Azure gets the most experiment material possible. The AWS gets the widest range of options, whereas Azure gets a good range of options. You can say Azure is better than AWS and offers the market a good market hold, whereas in Azure, the market gets a better offering than AWS. This is an example of AWS technical interview questions. Coming to the next AWS interview questions, try to get some answers from the following. 2. What is AWS? Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a leading cloud computing platform. It offers a vast range of AWS cloud services. AWS services enable you to run code for apps. Additionally, it aids in storing data online instead of on physical servers. AWS has scalable and flexible solutions for computing power, storage, databases, networking, security, and more. You can manage them all through the AWS Management Console. Companies can access them from anywhere in the world using the internet. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is the dominant force behind Reddit, helping the platform handle over 50 billion monthly interactions. With services like Amazon Textract, AWS helps automate complex data extraction tasks massively. 3. Explain the core services offered by AWS. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service. It allows you to run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, enables users to establish cloud databases through simple procedures for database creation and management. This service operates with MySQL and SQL Server databases, along with other databases. RDS handles backups, updates, and scaling automatically. The best use case for RDS includes applications with structured data that require SQL query capabilities. Amazon DynamoDB functions as a fast and adaptable database platform. It stores information in an unstructured format. The system automatically expands its capacity to manage big data volumes and increasing user numbers. Hence, it is ideal for high-traffic applications that require fast response times. AWS IoT functions as a cloud-based platform. It allows a secure internet connection. It connects smart devices like sensors and home gadgets. AWS IoT enables you to gather device data for analysis, thus helping you build intelligent applications. Amazon Redshift delivers a strong data storage and analysis solution, which enables rapid handling of extensive data volumes. The platform supports big data initiatives and business analytics by allowing SQL-based execution of advanced queries. AWS AI services offer pre-configured machine learning and artificial intelligence components. It enables developers to add intelligence to their applications without the necessity of deep ML expertise. They offer image recognition services, natural language services, chatbots, and many more. It supports big data analytics. It is excellent for organizations with the need for fast and efficient complex queries for business intelligence, reporting, and similar needs. Amazon S3 is a popular AWS service. In S3 you can store and get back any amount of data at any time. Documents, photos, videos, backups, and big data sets can be stored in the AWS cloud using S3 storage. Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, is a core service of AWS. It provides scalable virtual servers in the cloud. Instead of using physical hardware, you can launch EC2 instances, i.e., virtual machines that run your applications quickly and securely.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.